It looks like Insta360 is actually about to release a new camera, and for the first time in a long while, it will be a redesigned flagship product. This is our very first look at the new X6. It reminds me a lot of the Osmo 360 from DJI, with a shorter height and a more compact design. Here it is compared to the predecessors. They featured the same rectangular frame starting from the first Insta1 X up until the X5. Obviously, the design gradually developed over the years, but there haven't been major changes like this one before. The X6 brings a completely new button and microphones layout, including a new screen design and lenses. Overall, the camera will feel much lighter and easier to mount, which was one of the only downsides of Insta360 compared to DJI and GoPros. The design changes and the smaller frame actually bring improvements to the camera specs. As you can see here on the screen, it says 8K at 50 frames per second, while on the X5, the 8K setting only reached 30 frames per second. It still has detachable lenses with a new outer ring that might be the mounting point for additional filters. Another thing that really stands out to me is the button layout change. There are no more physical buttons below the screen. Instead, they're now totally digital. And on the sides, there's now the rounded recording button and the power switch. The redesign also extends to the microphones, which are a lot more than before, and they're located on all the sides of the camera. This was just a quick update video to share the first things we can notice from this image, but there's surely a lot to come since the X6 has just been registered to the FCC databases, and the expected release date is September 2026. So make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update through the channel's posts, and drop a like if this video was helpful.